Heather couldn't stop staring. Sky sat down, blushing a bit. "Were you always like that?" he asked, extremely curious. "I think so," Sky replied politely. "What else can you do?" "Well, I can talk to a horse and understand what they say." "Really? That's pretty cool. What pact are you from?" "What's a pact?" asked Sky. Heather looked at him. "You're serious? You don't know what a pact is?" A pact is basically a village or a clan in which a big group of people help and work together. Some pacts stay in one place, while others are constantly on the move. How could you not know that? Heather explained. Sky suddenly looked upset. "Oh, so what pact are you from then?" Heather started to feel guilty. How was he to know? He lives on his own. "I'm from the Pact of the Crow." "So they're called after animals. That's interesting." "Wait, why weren't you with your pact?" Sky inquired. His tail rose a bit. "I was gathering food for the pact. I guess I must have fallen into the river." Sky's stomach growled loudly. "You okay?" He asked. "Yeah, just hungry, I guess." "Here." Heather handed him a small selection of berries. "Thank you." Sky looked at each berry and recognized each one. Rowanberry, cloudberry, blackberry, and chestnuts. Sky said out loud, and then ate them all fairly quickly. He'd caught Heather looking at him. "You know all the different types there," Heather stated. "Yeah, well, I live in the forest, so I know quite a bit about it." End of part 2. Yeah, if you like it, feel free to subscribe for